difference.
Tulsa County starting to see a slight dip in COVID-19 cases. A lot of people now want to know if that's because of mask mandates. Thanks for joining us. I'm Neely Jones. Mark Bradshaw has the week off. News Channel 8's Maureen Ward spoke with state health officials who say compared to a week or so ago, we are seeing less COVID-19 cases in Oklahoma, but we're not in the clear yet. Right, Maureen?
Absolutely, Neely. Well, before masks were required here in the city of Tulsa, here at Southwood Landscape and Nursery, they required all employees and all customers to wear masks. And by doing that, it paid off. He's been working at Southwood Landscape and Nursery for more than 30 years.
This has been a very unusual year, yes.
But Pat Cowman says this year won't be one that will blend in.
And it was also a way to make our employees feel comfortable to work here. We had a lot of employees that were sort of scared about coming in with this in the spring.
In April, both employees and shoppers were required to social distance and wear a mask. At the time, it was pretty unusual for Oklahoma.
Well, it kept the business running, and that was awesome, because we could have just folded up the tent and left.
The early data suggests that face masks are making a difference, that face mask mandates are making a difference. When you look at the cities that have embraced the face mask mandate, those rates, the percent positives, have gone down.
Dr. George Monks is president of the Oklahoma State Medical Association and says it's still too early to say for certain, but cities that have mask requirements are starting to see the number of cases go down, which is promising.
I mean, are there other things like, yes, this is looking good, but we're not out of the woods yet?
Just because things are heading in the right direction, it's not time to stop doing those things that are helping us with the virus.
There's still a mask requirement at Southwood, but that's because they're in Tulsa.
And look, we don't want to lose employees to this. We don't want employees, we haven't had anybody test positive. We want to make sure that they're safe.
Saying safety was always a priority here, even back when wearing a mask wasn't one. So officials say to really see the effects of a mask requirement, it will take weeks of consistent drops in those COVID numbers. So we're still at the beginning, but like all of us, we sure hope that we're starting to do that. Reporting live at Southwood, Maureen Ward, News Channel 8.
Yes, we do.